So it's raining on the outside and raining on the inside too. Honestly, I'm not doing well. I'm going through a really hard time, and I know it will pass because it always passes. Everything passes. But right now, I'm still in it, and I'm also emotionally involved. So I'm gonna go home from work now, and as an act of self-love, I will take a hot bath just to calm my nervous system down a little bit. Then I'm gonna cuddle up with my cat, and I hope that when I press my face into her soft belly like this, and when she relaxes and will start to purr, hopefully for a long time, I hope that I will fall asleep with her in that peace for a little bit. I need it. I think that's enough for today.